Today I'm out here on my pier and we're gonna be throwing chartreuse beetle spin and this old rusty rattle trap. We're gonna try and catch some catfish and probably some perch. This perch just crushed this kind of big rattle trap for its size. But yeah, it's the only thing we got so far. So we'll let him go. Alright, so I caught one on a BKD and I missed it and I wasn't filming. I don't know what size, I haven't measured it yet, but it's in my live well, so we'll measure it. And we're just gonna get another jigging. We're at Thomas Point Lighthouse. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and release this fish. Alright, there he goes. That was a nice fish.